ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is teacher Ibrahim Salama from Ibn Khaldun Yasmin primary section. Welcome to video number 5, online learning, week 2. Today inshallah we are going to answer the exercise on workbook. So please get ready and open your workbook, page 87. Number 1, use of English. Do you remember? Some words have more than one meaning. Read the sentence. Florence Nightingale wrote on a sheet of paper. Number 1, read. When you look for a word in a dictionary, sometimes there is more than one meaning. The word sheet, for example, is a noun. Number 1, a large piece of material that's put on a bed. So the word sheet may has this meaning, a large piece of material that's put on a bed. Look at the picture. This is a sheet. Please pay attention, it's not the bed, it's the material which you put on the bed. Anna has blue sheets on her bed. The word sheet may has another meaning. A large piece of paper for writing or drawing on. Again, a large piece of paper for writing or drawing on. Look at the picture. This is a sheet of paper. Use a clean sheet when you copy out your story. Now, look back at the first doctors. Which meaning of the sheet, the word sheet, in the lesson which we studied at the beginning of the unit 9, the first doctors, the word sheet in the text, what does it mean? Let's go back to the text. Here is the word sheets. Can you remember the meaning of the word here? Yeah, a large piece of material that's put on a bed. So it is used in the first meaning, a large piece of material that is put on a bed. Again, a large piece of material that is put on a bed. Let's move to the next exercise. Sometimes the word can be used as different parts of speech. Parts of speech, as you know, noun, verb, adverb, adjective, and so on. Here we have an example, the word treat. The first meaning, as a noun, treat as a noun, special present or special event. So when you give someone a special present for doing something, or when you have a special event, a party or something like this. The example here, Dad took us to the zoo as a treat. So the children did something good, and Dad took them to the zoo as a treat. And when we use treat as a verb, it has also two meanings. Number 1, to behave towards someone in a particular way. So the example, Grandma always treats us very kindly. And you can say another example. For example, I don't like this person because he treats me badly. I don't like this person because he treats me badly. The second meaning, to try to make something or someone better. If someone is ill, so when you treat him, you are trying to make him better. Doctors treated my aunt in hospital. Again, doctors treated my aunt in hospital. Number 1. Look back at the first doctors. Was the verb or the noun of treat used? Let's see. Here, treating. So it was used as a verb. So yes, it was used as a verb. Okay. Number 2. What was the meaning of the word treat in the text? Again, what was the meaning of the word treat in the text? Correct. Try to make something or someone better. Number 3. The word spread. Find spread in the text. What part of speech is it? The word spread. You can go back now to your class book, the first doctors, which is the first lesson on unit 9. Try to find the word spread and tell me what part of speech is it. Correct. It's a verb. Number 4. Find the correct meaning in your dictionary. Write it here. So you can search in any dictionary. Try to find the meaning of the verb spread. The meaning is extend over a large or increasing area. Last exercise. Write a sentence using another meaning of the verb spread. Of course, you need more time to look at your dictionary and try to make a sentence or write a sentence using another meaning of the verb spread. So you can pause the video, take your time, and then come back. Let's see the answer. I spread a towel on the sand and sat down. Again, I spread a towel on the sand and sat down. Let's move to the next exercise. This is page 88. Number 1. Name the objects. Check your dictionary. You have 4 objects. Please tell me the names of these objects. Number 1. Correct. Gloves. Number 2. What can you see in the picture? Exactly. Ambulance. And number 3. Watch. That's it. The last word or the last picture. That's it. Ring. Number 2. Read the sentences. Underline the sentences that are instructions. You have 8 sentences. You're going to read them and just underline the sentences that are instructions. Number 1. You should call an ambulance if it is needed. Can we say that this sentence is instruction? No. Right. Number 2. Do you know where the nearest hospital is? It's a question, so it can't be instructions. Number 3. Write your name on your copybook. Write your name. So number 3 is instruction. 4. Do not run in the corridors. Exactly. Number 5. You must do your homework at the weekend. Good. No underline. Number 6. This is really good game. This is a really good game. Exactly. No underline. We will leave at 4 o'clock. Excellent. No need to underline it. The last one. Do your work quietly. Correct. Underline number 8. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise number 3. These people are giving instructions. Write the instructions. Again, these people are giving instructions. Write the instructions. Number 1. Before you start answering this exercise, I'm going to remind you again that your answers are all correct, even it's different from my answer. So you can use your own answer or you can write my answer. Who can tell me the sentence or the instructions in the first picture? You can see a boy holding a ball, and there is a man, maybe his dad, is asking him to do something. What do you think he's asking him to do? Okay, maybe he says, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Or you can use another sentence, throw the ball. The second picture, you can see a policeman trying to stop a driver. So what do you think he's asking him to do? Stop the car. Correct. Stop the car. Number 3, you can see a boy who's entering a room and his dad is asking him to do something. What do you think he's asking him to do? Correct. Close the door. The last picture. The teacher is asking the girl to do something and she's pointing to a chair. So, sit down. Excellent. Next exercise. This is page 89. Composition practice. Number 1, read. If you know what to do when someone is hurt, you can't help. As you see in the first picture, the woman was cooking or doing something hot, and while pouring it, she poured it on her hand. So she has a burn. How to treat with a burn? Again, how to treat with a burn. You have 8 pictures. Try to make a sentence or an instruction for each picture. Then you are going to write the instructions in the second exercise. Number 1, what can be the instruction? You have the burned hand. They are pouring water on it for 10 minutes. Here, someone is trying to use the phone to call the ambulance. Number 3, she says, please lay down. 4, again, she is pouring water on the burn for 10 minutes. Number 5, she's wearing gloves, or you can say she's wearing disposable gloves. Number 6, if possible, if you can. She is trying to remove the watch, the ring, and she is wearing the gloves. Why do you think she is wearing the gloves? Exactly, we said that in the previous lesson, to stop infection or to prevent infection. Number 7, she's putting some bandage on the burn, and in the last picture she says, don't worry, the ambulance will arrive soon. So with the help of the 8 pictures, you are going to write instructions in the next exercise. Let's see. Write the instructions. With the help of the first picture, tell me what is the instructions for number 1. Correct. Cool the burn. How can we do this? Hold the burned area under cool, not cold, running water for 10 minutes. So please do not use cold water, just cool water. How long are we going to do this? For 10 minutes. What about the second picture? Correct. Call the ambulance. Again, call the ambulance. Number 3. What can you see in the picture in your book? Correct. Ask the patient to lay down. Ask him or her to lay down, to rest. Number 4. Okay. Again, pour cool water on the burn. Number 5. What is happening in picture number 5, and what are the instructions in number 5? Right, okay. Wear disposable gloves to prevent infection. Number 6. Exactly. If possible, remove rings or other tight items. Like what? Watches, rings, bracelets, and so on. Number 7. What can you see in the picture? Number 7. So you have to bandage the burn. Bandage the burn. This means you are going to put some bandage on the burn. Okay. 8. Let's move to the last picture. Okay, so ask the patient to calm down and tell him that the ambulance will arrive soon. So these are the 8 instructions you will do if someone is burned. This was our last exercise for today, and this concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next video. You will find a worksheet attached to the video, inshallah, and also you are going to find a link to a word wall game. I hope you will enjoy it, inshallah. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.